Okay, note to self, do not use Restream because, yeah, that was kind of annoying. But how is everyone doing today? Let's talk about vibe coding SEO for our app. So a little bit of an introduction, first of all. This is the app that I'm going to be doing some SEO for. I have a whole CI/CD pipeline, etc., etc. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be looking for opportunities for some parasite SEO and also just, yeah, generally just adding more pages and things like that to rank. So I'm going to start off by looking for some pain points because I feel like there's probably some gaps in the market somewhere for pain points in the market, I would say. Let me just get the chat. Sorry, guys, one sec. Where's pop out chat? No, not fan funding. Live chat. How do I pop that out? Oh, wait, it's here, isn't it? Pop out chat. There we go. Okay, so I'll try and remember to check the chat, guys. But yeah, let's do this. So I tried to use Restream, didn't work, so I'm just gonna skip that step. So I'm going to be using Claude code. So let's just do WSL-D Ubuntu. And we'll call this MKD Grove SEO, CD Grove SEO, Claude. Dangerously skip permissions. I don't want to spend time telling it to do things. Okay, do we need any MCPs? Probably not. So let's just go to ChatGPT. Actually, let's do this a little bit differently. Actually, let's do it like that. That's a good idea. So let's go to GitHub. We'll grab the link to the project. I'll say, please, can you clone this project to this folder? Use git clone dot. Um, get the latest dev branch. Okay. How's everyone doing today? What's everyone working on? What is everyone working on? RIP if I just, oh God, I gotta sign in, ready? Yeah, there was a problem with the stream starting. Sorry about that, but I'm here now. I'm actually here now. What just happened? Just want to stop by and recognize your work. I'm very grateful. I find your channel. Cheers, brother. Thanks, Gabrielle. Appreciate it. Oh, what? They already got the content. Oh, okay, fair. What is everyone working on right now? Tell me, tell me. If you got any questions for me, now is a great time to ask me as well, by the way. Thanks for that, Gabrielle. I appreciate that. Oh yeah, I need to remove the chat actually because it's not working, is it? Kind of annoying about Restream. I tried to use it. Okay, so let me just exit out and do ls. Okay, nice. So we'll do Claude, dangerously skip permissions dash C. Let's think about this for a second. So I want to, God, what is wrong with my computer? Get more people on this site through SEO. Um, I want to just generally work on I feel like there's some pain points with some front end. I also post some content on some websites. Can you help me with this? Start by giving me some suggestions for content. And I'm actually gonna give it the I'm gonna give it the keywords that we've picked up so far that they can have a look. Maybe that will give it some inspiration. Should be able to export this. Download as a CSV. Hmm. Here's some data from Search Console. Maybe it didn't work because it's zipped. To look. Extract all. Extract. Okay. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Appreciate it. I like streaming. It's kind of fun, to be honest with you. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm trying to find some pain points and things like that, things that are already working. I like to do my own research as well, so let's actually do that. So Google Ads. If you don't know, Google Ads has got the best keyword tool on the market. So goals, no. Tools, yes. Planning, keyword planet. Let's have a look at English and United States. And let's do Shopify traffic. Drive traffic to Shopify store. I mean, bloody marvelous. There's one right there. I'm not going to open notepads. I have PTSD from opening notepads on my computer. Hey guys, did they increase the 1 mil context? I don't think so. Bro, I lost some LBs. Nice. I've actually put on weight recently as well. I am going to start swimming soon, guys. Hold me to that. I am going to start swimming soon again. Um, Wait, did they update? Did they update on was there an update? Did I miss some? Bro, what the fuck? What? Yo, what? No, guys, I have to go make a video. I might make a video while I'm doing this. Damn, I didn't even see that. What the fuck? Oh, they made it more expensive. Bastards. I think I'm gonna make a video real quick, guys, while I'm streaming. I know that's a bit weird, but wait. How do I do that? Okay, I'm still streaming and I'm recording. Okay. One sec, guys, I'm just gonna make a video. I know that's a bit weird, but like this is hot news that I have to cover, so. Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm just gonna make a real quick one while I'm streaming. I'm streaming right now, so definitely come check out the stream if you're watching this video. But basically, huge news, Anthropic finally supports 1 million context window. This is absolutely massive for the community. It is only Sonnet, but I will say right now that Sonnet 4 is actually a very capable model. When Opus runs out, it's not like I freak out and I can't use Claude code anymore. And the 1 mil token context is just absolutely massive for Sonnet. Now, if you don't know, for a very long time, it's been 200,000 as an absolute max. There was an option if you paid them 5,000 a month to get 500k context window. But obviously, that was ridiculous. But yeah, longer context means being able to look at code on Claude code specifically. And I'm probably going to look into this as soon as I've finished streaming. Basically, creating a system where Claude code reads all of the code kind of as a checker before it makes any changes to it. Because right now what it seems to do is it seems to read parts of it, but it doesn't read all of it because it's always wary of context. Now, another really good thing about this is you won't have to slash compact anymore, which is huge, huge news. I just need to check. Just need to check if I'm Claude 2 I'm still recording, by the way. The way I do videos, guys, I have a button to pause the recording, so I can basically pause the recording. So I'm still recording. I'm just yeah, I stopped for a second. This is really, really interesting. Claude to GPT-5. I see your Schwartz is as big as mine. Yeah, it's almost like Anthropic is trolling like GPT-5 or GPT. It's actually hilarious. Okay, so this is actually massive, large scale code analysis. Yeah, this is the main thing. So the main thing that I'd say that this is a huge update for is this one right here, large scale code analysis. Load entire code bases, including source files, tests, and documentation. Claude, this is basically what I was just saying. This is actually massive. I'm not that bothered about the other stuff, like document synthesis doesn't really bother me. Context-aware agents is obviously important. And now you can do things like scrape websites with Claude Sonnet and not worry about, something being too large. This is massive for Grove because a lot of stuff that we do is like, we compress 1,000 products into a prompt and get it to sort it. And we were using Sonnet for that, but now we can use Sonnet 4 with a 1 million context window. Now, obviously, the kind of annoying thing about this is the price increase. I'm really just why, like, yeah, it's annoying, but I guess they have to cover their servers. I guess it's like a server-based thing. Like, probably their stuff is just getting absolutely destroyed by it. And this is interesting. Customer Spotlight Bolt.new. Bolt.new transfers web development by integrating Claude into their browser-based development platform. That's pretty interesting that they've put that there. I'm still finishing, but would love some feedback. Meow, you can email me. I'm not sure what you're trying to say to me because there might be a link that's getting removed or something, but I will go back to the topic in a second, guys. I just need to finish this video because this is actually massive. I've actually been waiting for this for a very, very long time. So would I use this over Opus? I think it's situational. If I'm going like deep into like trying to find a problem with some code or something and you need to really dig deep into it, then I think that Sonnet 4 is going to be the answer to that. I don't know how this is going to work with mixing with Opus 4 and Opus 4.1 inside Claude Code. I'm not sure how they're going to handle that. Maybe you can't maybe you can't swap models anymore, which would be a bit of a shame, but I guess it is what it is. There's always positives and negatives. But overall, this is an absolutely massive update that I've been waiting for ages. And now that it's here, it's just not, it's not what I actually need right now. What I would love is Opus 4.1 to have this. If Opus 4.1 had this inside Claude Code, then I would be extremely interested. But Sonnet 4 is good. Don't get me wrong. I do like Sonnet 4 and I do use it for coding. It's just for some really like fiddly bits and stuff like that, you really do need Opus 4.1. So, but yeah, overall, this is a huge update. Really, really excited to see where Anthropic goes with this. They did say that they're going to be releasing more and more improvements to their models in the next few weeks. So I will try and keep everyone up to date with that as well. Shout out to the stream. Thank you for telling me that this was an update because this is a really big update that I've been waiting for ages. Thanks for watching. If you're watching all the way to the end, you're an absolute legend. And I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out. You can't add links here, unfortunately. You have to email me them. Stop recording, don't stop streaming. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I just needed to do that real quick. I'm actually going to upload that video as well. Just because the video that I uploaded earlier didn't actually do that well. So, it's a numbers game. This kind of thing, this kind of YouTube channel anyway. These days. It didn't used to be, but now it's more about the numbers that I upload. That's a pretty short video, actually, to be fair. Sorry to do this while streaming, guys. Normally I have it on another screen, but I actually am not using my other screen right now. I'll just get that saved. I'll upload it later. Okay, amazing. Let's go back to the Claude Code conversation. Let's see what it came up with. So let's have a look. It read everything based on your Search Console data analysis. Here's my comprehensive SEO and marketing strategy. Key insights from your data. Brand searches dominate. Yeah, of course. Strong impressions, but very low CTR. Niche specific queries, but no clicks. Market is primarily US with opportunities in UK, Canada, Australia. That's exactly our market. Shopify SEO problems, solution, okay, industry specific SEO guidelines. Okay, so let's see. But I mean, these are all ones that I've already got, like. Just emailed you. Yeah, hang on. Wait, what am I? What is this? Wait, what? I don't know what I'm looking at. I don't even have Command K. What do I do? Oh, I put a. Okay. Oh, this is pretty cool. Um, wait, what? What am I looking at here? That's so weird. Okay. Yeah, there's no there is no SEO though, because there's no this is just a one page website, right? So there's no SEO. You need to add pages. Let's have a look. I'll show you how to do that now. Alternative to competitor. Oh, hang on. Oh, it's a really good idea. So what's it called? Yoast. Where's that Google Analytics? No, no, it's not. Yeah. Google. No, Google Yoast. Yoast Shopify. Okay, okay. Do they actually have Yoast for Shopify? Do they have a Shopify plugin? Yeah, they do. I'm gonna do a best alternative to this for sure. Alternative, Yoast. There's no website though, do you know what I mean? You need more content. Let's try this. So make me the page. Um, make sure to put as much detail as possible as SEO does. Okay, there we go. So yeah, Meow, you don't have any pages, dude. You need more pages, basically. That's what I'd say to that. You need more pages. Damn, I can't believe they finally released fucking 1 million context. That's crazy, dude. I've been waiting for that for so long. Should I do It's Over? The classic. The classic It's Over, dude. Whatever. I feel like thumbnails are so unimportant these days. I don't know. But yeah, here's a peek behind the curtain, guys. This is how I made my thumbnails. Um, I need this. Let's just do that. That's good. I didn't even mean to do that. I just accidentally pressed F11. No, actually, I want it to be horizontal. Actually, no, I don't. It's Over is so stupid in this context. Makes no sense. They've actually GG'd GPT-5 with that one, though. It's actually hilarious. Just as GPT-5 is released, they do this. That's so funny. There we go, guys. That's how you do a thumbnail on YouTube in 2025. There's your guide for you. It's over, we're back. We're back. Yeah, true, we're back. That's a good one. Thanks, dude. We're back. I kind of want it to be, I don't want it to be like that. It kind of looks shit like that. I love it when you go on like really like expensive websites and they all just have JavaScript problems. I love it. That's so funny. Look at that. React error, React error, React error. That is just too fucking funny, man. It's like $1 billion company. They're always the worst. Like even Google is like they always have JavaScript errors constantly. I've noticed. We're back, baby. Sorry guys, I'll be done in a sec. I'm waiting for Claude to finish generating anyway. Um, I'm curious to see how this video does. Probably terribly, but it's alright. Someone's got to tell the world about the update. And then you just add those three, test and compare, bang, bang, bang. I would generally advise you to spend a bit more time on a thumbnail, but I'm just at the point where I just want to just make thumbnails and just get them out. Okay, that'll do. Sorry about this, guys. It might be quite interesting for people to see, to be honest with you, though. But and I just need the links, cause yeah, the links, and then we're done. That's honestly how long it takes me to make a video. Pretty crazy. That's unrestricted, so I'll just leave that for a bit. Oh, what? I didn't take the thumbnails. Why? I did. Okay, nice. We're so back. Okay, so now it's creating the page here. We can have a look at Docker in just a second, and then we can just basically post the page, submit it to Search Console, and move on to the next one. This is a good idea. I liked this idea from Claude Code, actually. Let's see what else there is. Competitors, other competitors, maybe like an Ahrefs alternative. Hmm. I mean, we kind of does that. Sorry, guys, I'm just clicking on it at random. Where is... I just went off Google Ads for some reason. Let's have a look. Sorry, guys, I'm a real flicker around. Like, I do so many things at once in my head. It's actually pretty ridiculous. Ahrefs alternative. Okay. I like it. I like it. Definitely some options there. We're not quite an Ahrefs competitor, but like, yeah. LinkedIn, Medium Publications, I've already done that. Dev.to, I haven't done that yet. I've already done GitHub. This is not a terrible idea though. Create open source Shopify SEO tools and scripts and then link back. Pretty good idea actually. 50 plus micro tools. Okay. 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 These are some pretty good ideas. What Rowan was doing was he was making videos with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript like animations as ads, which was pretty cool. Could definitely show you guys that at some point. Is this done? Still going. Jesus. Fair enough, man. I might actually switch to the new Sonnet. I'm kind of curious. I think I am going to do that. I'll let this finish, but I think I'm going to change to the new Sonnet. Okay, I'll change to Sonnet 4 in a second. I'm kind of curious. I just want to know if like the quality is worse or if it's actually decent. I'm really glad they've done this. If they do that with Opus and it's available to use inside um, Claude Code, it's going to be massive. I'm okay with using Sonnet, like I said in the video that I just made. I'm fine with using Sonnet, to be honest with you. It's just Opus is needed sometimes, I would say. This is really taking a long time. It's a lot of tokens, Jesus. It's really going for it, dude. Holy crap. Oh yeah, actually did do. Oh, that's interesting. Here we go. We should be able to see that. Where is that? If I'm not mistaken, if I just go here, should be 5,000. No, that didn't work. Okay, let's just let it finish. Yeah, it needs to add the root. There we go. Let's try it. Still doesn't work. There's the meta description. That's cool. I think this is a really, really good idea by Claude Code. Good job. What's the premise of this SaaS? It's a Shopify SEO automation tool. Restart Docker. So yeah, it's basically you connect your store and it will so you can join the wait list now. It's $1. You connect your store and then you sit back and it does all of these things basically. Can you check my mail? Any suggestions? Still haven't tried Opus yet on Claude Code. Currently just on the $20 plan. Yeah, fair, dude. I understand. It's tough. Just need to write a description, guys, and I'm gonna release that video. Maybe some people will come join the stream. I'll change models in just a second. Finally, you have a 1 million. Join the stream. God, I hate looking at myself or hearing myself. I hate those two things. Let's just go public, whatever. It's over, boys. There it is. I can say boys because I think it's like 96% of people who watch my channel are male. I know there are some women that write in the chat. Um, apparently 96% male. Because people ask me that all the time. The what they call the like advertisers and shit. They're always asking me for my metrics. I've been releasing a lot of content recently, guys. I'm probably just not gonna stop. Like, I kind of enjoy making content. It's not amazing, but it's definitely better than the rest. Currently, I have all the max plans and found Anthropics to be the most useful day to day for programming specifically. Day to day, 100%. Claude Code is the best. 100%. Okay, let's see. Ooh, okay. Okay, it's definitely a website. It's definitely a page. It's gone completely off the. This looks absolutely nothing like the rest of Grove. Okay, definitely not the best, but I mean, this is still nice. Oh yeah, sorry, yeah. I didn't actually change it yet. Let's just do that now, actually. I did feel like yesterday I had a larger context window and I was really confused by it, but um I don't know if like they gave early access to me yesterday or something for testing, but I really felt like I was using I don't know, it wasn't compacting as often. Like normally like it was compacting really, really quickly, but this is still good though. Like the content here is great. It just needs oh sorry, wait. The offer is 8% off for the first 3 months. Yeah, so this is officially the 1 mil context window, just so everyone knows. We're now using Sonnet, the new one. We'll see how it does. I actually don't mind Sonnet, like I was saying before. I use it all the time. I'm just happy to have a million contexts. That's really, really nice. Okay, that's probably going to take some time, to be fair. I guess let's start looking at the next page that we should create. Hmm. API database, scrape and analyze top shop first. Ooh, that's not a bad idea. I did think about doing Reddit ads before. Create comparison site, bestshopifytools.com. Um, oh yeah, okay. That's a really good one. Mm. These are some fucking top tier suggestions, guys. Every single one of these is good. Ocean horse strategy. Very poorly worded. Partner with Shopify theme developers. It's probably getting quite dark. You guys can see me. Yeah, it's fine. Embed your tool slash service in their themes. I'll get misspellings. Come on, bro. Join 20 plus Shopify e-commerce Slack workspaces. They automate that probably. Hmm. These are actually pretty good as well, to be fair. Little shorts showing fixes. That's yeah, pretty good. Is this better? Uh, that's a bit. Oh no, yeah, it's better. Yeah, no, it's better. It's better. It's still got a bit fucked up. That's really nice though. That is a really, really nice landing page. Just the rest of it needs to look like that. What was your prompt for these suggestions? Great question. I really need to start putting my prompt because people just like I just it's a really simple prompt. So I cloned the repo and then I said this. I gave it the Search Console data. I'll probably make a video about this to be fair. Oh wait. Obviously it's too long. The prompt's here. Sorry, it's too long. You can take a screenshot and give it to ChatGPT. I want more people on this site through SEO. I just want to generally work on the marketing a bit. I feel like we can hit some pain points with some front-end content. and also post some content on some other websites. Can you help me with this? Start by giving me some suggestions for content. Here's some data. And I just gave it some Search Console data, basically. I've found recently, oh, look at that. I'm really starting to find that like just letting Claude Code sorry about the chair, guys, if that's a real squeaker. Just letting Claude Code kind of do its thing and just be like, I want this, give me some suggestions. It just works so goddamn well. It's actually crazy. So this page will be done pretty soon. I want more things that have really low competition, like Yoast competitors. I don't think we'll have that much competition. So it's essentially just context-specific organic marketing suggestions. That's exactly what it is, yeah, literally. So this should be getting there now. Perfect, look at that. Bang, bang, bang. Limited launch time offer. That button doesn't button. That button does button. Okay, nice. And then just this final section or final few sections, and then we'll move on to the next one. Beautiful. Oh, you got to guide it sometimes. I've actually noticed that myself, if I try to micromanage it function by function with strict data type schema, it doesn't seem to handle it well. Yeah, I just gotta kind of let it do its own thing. I'm a real vibe coder. Like, I mean, sometimes it doesn't work, obviously, but a lot of the time it just manages to just code things anyway. Yeah, thanks for checking out the stream, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. I do enjoy streaming. I'm probably going to be streaming. Well, I will be streaming for the next kind of, I think 3 weeks. I have to stream. Oh, this was good, Sonic. Why did you? I do find one thing about Anthropic is it's a bit lazy. It likes to say that it's finished stuff and etc. etc. I do find that quite frustrating. It's working now. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Bang, 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 bang. Very true. Very true. Yeah, 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 okay. This is good. Okay, there we go. That'll do. There's no CTA at the bottom, but this is fine. Okay, so what do we do now, guys? We push to dev. Why does that... Should be a million, right? Hey, Kenrick. How's it going, dude? Sorry about banning you yesterday. Okay, push to... Oh, wait. Oh, model Sonnet 1 mil. Okay. What? What? I can't even use it. The long context beta is not yet available for the subscription. That's a joke, dude. Do you know how much I'm bloody paying you? I can't use it. What about open router? Oh no, I can't use that here, can I? That's annoying. I'll have to change the title. RIP. I'll change the title. Opus. I'll just keep using Opus 4.1. I'm not that bothered, to be fair. Just was nice to put that in the title, but so model what? Oh, Opus plan mode, Sonnet 4 otherwise. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's huge. They're like literally updating this as I go. I want to use Opus. Wait, what? Wait, do we have to pay per? No way. Have they started to charge us? Wait. This is really important to check. Are we paying for Opus now? We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. We're fine. Okay. Sorry for flicking around. Let's do slash compact. Oh no, wait. Push to dev and main. Oh, actually, did I make a load of changes here? Oh, fuck yeah, I did. Oh no, I'm in a different folder. Sorry, it's all good. It's all good. I'm in a different folder. It's okay. Sorry, Kenrick. Don't be disappointed in me. Okay, so this is pulling from dev and then pushing to dev. It's fine. This is standard procedure. And to main. I just need to check something, guys. Did this run? Oh, it was turned off, obviously. Okay, there we go. Pushed to dev and pushed to main. Okay, good. So now we can actually do a bit of SEO. So we'll go to DigitalOcean. What I'll probably do is I'll post this to can you make a version of this as main? Oh, it's already in pure HTML. And oh wait, that doesn't work. Sorry, never mind. I was gonna post it to Medium as well, but I don't think I'll bother actually. Is there anything worse than Reddit mods, by the way? Just throwing that out there. They've got to be the worst people on the planet. I can't stand Reddit mods. I changed the title a little bit because it's a bit confusing with this video. Okay, wait, let's do a slash compact while we're waiting. So yeah, basically what we're going to do is we're going to push this to Search Console. Should get it indexed immediately, I would guess. And then we'll start working on the next page. I'm just showing you guys how I am trying to get people into SEO Grove. So obviously there's the channel. But then I also want to get people in through other kind of methods. So we're obviously doing ads and things. That's not really my strong point. My strong point has always kind of been SEO. So I am focusing on that. There's 647 impressions. Pretty interesting. It looks like we're making decent progress. We've got a decent amount of pages indexed now. There are some that aren't indexed, actually, interestingly. None of them, only a few of them have got the ones that you need to worry about. Server error is not good. What's this? It just doesn't work. Okay. Okay, none of these work. Why? That's weird. Oh, that did work. Okay, so that should be done. No, did I add it to the header? Did let's come back to this one. That doesn't really matter if it's not added to the header. Okay, so we go here and we go yeah. This should work. This should now be a live page on the website. Yes, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see how quickly this gets indexed. This is always an important question for a website. So you always want to do test live URL first. Stream more, bro. Mystery meat. Did you ever play old school RuneScape? There's an item in there called mystery meat. I will stream more. I'm really trying to stream more. I do like it. So request indexing, bang, bang, bang. I would say I'm going to check that in. I'm going to check that very soon, and I have a feeling there's going to be some more there. I found a pretty interesting keyword before. What was it? Ahrefs alternative, yeah. Top of page bid, 21 euros. Okay, this is an interesting one. This is a lot of searches. I might make this one. Let's have a look. Specific Shopify Dawn theme, SEO settings complete guide. It's not bad. It's not bad. I do like some of these. These are really good ideas, a lot of these. Ooh, yeah, nice. Migration guides. I like all of these actually, you know. These are all good ideas. What happened? You look so lean. I'm not that lean, guys. I've still got a belly on me. You just can't see my belly. That's why you're all saying that I've lost weight. If I stood up, you wouldn't be saying that, trust me. But believe me. Hmm. I do like all of these. I think I might go for this one though. The way I write a fucking SEO. More Shopify videos would be cool. I'd love to do Shopify videos, man, but like as you can see, they get like 400 views and it's just frustrating. So a lot of it just view based. Like I would like to just make I would like to make more Shopify stuff, but I don't know what happened. People used to love Shopify SEO stuff, but now they just don't. Like I don't know why. Like yeah, I don't know why. Let's see if this is indexed. I have a feeling that it will already be indexed, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it is. Damn, that was quick. Damn, that was so quick. Oops. You see how quick that was, guys? This is literally on Google now. Actually, there was another thing I wanted to do, which was set up SEO Grove with Bing. I don't think I did it yet. So that Shopify plus AI, yeah. I mean, I would love to, but people just don't. People are not responding to it very well. So why can I not sign in? I don't know what's going on with Bing. Let me on. Did I SEO Grove? It is here. Okay. It's not doing very well though. Doing surprisingly badly actually. It is new, but still. Shopify SEO tool, that would be amazing to if we could rank for that. That's kind of my keyword that I want is Shopify SEO tool, obviously. Be amazing to rank for that. But yeah, it is what it is. So we got one page done, which is nice. Yeah, this is the problem with SEO is like, what do I do now? So one thing that I used to always do when I was waiting for stuff to happen was to answer things on Cura. So let's just do that. Shopify SEO. Let's see. How do you do it by past year? There used to be a way to do it by views. I guess you can't anymore. So let's just go on Google actually. Shopify SEO, and then look for Cura. Who's this guy quoting? Shopify. 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 Might try get posted onto the Shopify community actually. If I could get on this, it'd be amazing. Video unavailable. Interesting. Oh God, I'd love to pay this guy to replace his post with SEO Grove. Let's see, we're gonna post. What is this? As if that's what ranks for Shopify SEO. That's crazy. This is what ranks for Shopify SEO. Damn, what the fuck? Really? I guess because they're searching for a service. We probably don't have a service. Yeah, that's such a good idea. I'm gonna copy this page. Let's see, can I just spin up another one? I'm pretty sure I can, right? What is this called? CD Grove SEO Claude dangerously skip options. Hey Kenrick, how you doing? It's absolutely boiling in this room. I don't know what I'm doing. Got the window closed. It's crazy. It's sunny as fuck as well. I just want the good lighting. Yo, John, how does the new context window pricing affect Max users? We can't use it yet. We gotta wait and see. Oh, it didn't even use the MCP. What? It just used Playwright. What the fuck? I was not expecting it to do that. They must have just used the CLI or whatever. The room is cooking, Claude is cooking, life is good. Yeah, dude. I'm getting progressively more sweaty, dude. Let's have a look. Sweat check. Oh, God. I think my computer's heating up as well. Luckily, I've got the Dyson. Put it on what? 8, 9? Can drop the heat. Make it even colder. It's on 1 degree. It says it's 28 degrees in here. What the fuck? Wait, what did I do? Please start again. I need you, bro. Come on. There we go. Jesus. By the way, guys, tomorrow I'll probably be streaming some NAN stuff. I'll be doing some yeah, and outreach marketing and things. Rush watched all your videos but didn't know you streamed. Hell yeah. High life of Quinn. How much dollar are you paying for AI coding per month? Currently about 600, I would say, because we use mainly what's it called? We use mainly Claude Code Max Plan, which is fixed, which is really, really helpful. I'm gonna quickly change something. Not doing that well, that video. It normally doesn't do well when I'm streaming though. Let's try that. Okay, so we got some content here. Let's have a look. What is this? This is Ahrefs alternative. Nice. Okay, so that goes to Ahrefs alternative. Let's go localhost. Restart Docker. I'm excited to see this. Just think about this, guys. Like, if in the future this starts to bring in 5 customers a month or whatever each of these pages, this is why you got to drill down and do this shit, right? No one else is going to do it for you unless you pay them, obviously. So I'm very much of the opinion, just get up there, just fucking start pushing it. You got to start pushing, guys. It's the only way to do it. Anthropic Engineers are next level. Opus 4.1 last week. Today, Sonnet 4 gets a 1 month constant and implement Opus Sonnet plan mode. Impressive shit. Agreed, dude. I cannot wait to test Opus plan Sonnet input with 1 million context. It's gonna be good shit. Very exciting times ahead. I love the company. Okay. Just had to make something up, didn't I? Just had to slip one thing in there that just isn't correct at all. Like, just couldn't resist, could you? Could you, Claude? Just couldn't fucking resist. Okay, and then we have this one, SEO services, bang. Do we already have this? No, we don't. I don't think. I don't think we have this actual page. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. I mean, this is fine. This probably needs a bit of work, but I'm just not in the mood for this right now. So we'll just go live with this. Let's just fix the pricing here, which should be done now. Where's the pricing car? What? We've got a very strict like guideline on design. Like I can't really just make shit up. Yeah, that sounds pretty interesting, dude. Life of Quinn. I was thinking about something similar recently. Yeah, Life of Quinn. I was thinking of some pretty interesting stuff similar to that. Okay, so we made 3 pages today. Like we could probably keep going, to be fair. It's just this is just not good. I like that it's getting Reddit information. I do like that. Yeah, Life of Quinn. That sounds pretty interesting, dude. You should make a video of it about it. I would watch that video for sure. I'm pretty hungry suddenly. I love this. And there are no CTAs here actually, except this one. Let's see what else it came up with before. Oh yeah, that was a good. So mainly does Shopify help, right? That's what it's mainly quoting here. So these are all things that I can't affect unless I just ask them to add me here, which is obviously not going to happen. Um, I wonder Neil Patel, Yoast, Semrush, Shogun, Abrol. Hmm. Okay, push to dev and main. We'll get these bad boys indexed. Let's have a look at the Google Analytics. See how we're doing today. Oh, I'm on the wrong one. No, rip. That's here. Okay, not bad, not bad. Two of them, that's probably me. Okay, so we should be pushing here. That should push both of them. Okay, we've now pushed. No, not yet. Are you getting 1 million tokens in Sonnet? Not yet. No, I won't let me use them yet. Let's try again, actually. Was that it? What like that? No. What is that? 2025? No, it's the old one. I could try quit out. Also updating. No, it still won't work. Go back to Opus for now. Okay, let's see if that has worked. And let's see if we can get these bad boys indexed as soon as possible as well. This is how I'm planning on getting a lot of people to the website, by the way, just so you know. So, I mean, take notes if you're interested. Let's see what else we have. So I'm thinking like, I'm thinking I'm just going to keep looking at Google Ads because there are some real gems there that you can find if you know what to look for. So I'm just going to try and prompt some stuff here. I think what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to write Shopify and just kind of have a look. Maybe let's have a look at year on year or 3-year change, actually, 3-month change. Um, no, sort of competition, high, Shopify website themes. Oh, what if I did a Shopify, best Shopify themes, not video, what's it called? Why are people so obsessed with themes? Themes are so, it's like so irrelevant. You don't need, ugh, it's so hard to explain, but let's try SEO or Shopify SEO. Thanks, I'll make a video once I get the king's words out. I have the hooks set at the global level, meaning the sub-agents need to respond to the correct Discord channel if multiple CC instances are running. Interesting. Shopify site structure. Yeah, that's a good one, but just doesn't have enough search. If I search that, well, actually, hmm, okay, let's get these indexed real quick. What was it? Slash Ahrefs. Alternative. The only problem is on mobile, it doesn't actually. Oh no, it does. Oh, okay. Well, thanks for that. Okay, let's get these indexed. So, search console. You know you've got a strong website if you go to get it indexed and it's already fucking indexed. That's when you know. Oh, did I just? Yeah, it's okay. So yeah, I basically just do this and then add backlinks to these pages just across the internet, just free backlinks like Cura, Medium, all that good stuff. Let's have a look. Mm. Shopify page optimization. Mm. Okay, there we go. 2 more pages released. Just got to keep building, boys. That's the name of the game. That one's not indexed immediately. That's okay. That happens. Not a big problem. Okay. Let's do a few more or one more. Let's just see. Let's find the perfect one. Let's just go volume. Hmm. I don't know. I mean, I've thought of some pretty good ideas there. Let's have a look what they came up with before. That doesn't work out. Let me see its ideas again. Some of these ideas were pretty fucking good, to be fair. I guess, is there like a drop shipping? No. I can't believe there's only that few searches every month for dropshipping SEO. It's actually crazy. It's all about suppliers. Like, that's actually insane. I mean, I do already have that though. Let's do this last one. There we go. I guess this will be the last one. Guess people just want to do PPC. Yeah, true. True. But I mean, that's just, it's so impatient. My idea is to find like British drop shipping suppliers, like high quality British drop shipping suppliers, and just drop ship in the UK, like long-term drop shipping. I'll just drop ship everything. Like, I don't give a shit. Like, just need to find like one that's free and maybe takes a percentage of sales or something. Yeah, Brand Getaway. I've heard of these guys actually. I've been tempted to try this recently. I might actually just do this, you know. Might honestly just do this. Are they free? Pricing. 147 a month. 279 a month. Fuck's sake. I might honestly just do this though. I'm just curious. I really want to find one that's not really expensive per month, basically. But it seems to just be really difficult, which sucks. But yeah, it is what it is. Oh yeah, guys, I'll probably be doing N8N streaming tomorrow, just so you know. So if you're curious about N8N and Bright Data, definitely check it out. I'm probably going to be doing like some kind of automated outreach for Grove, just to see if I can get more customers to Grove. That's kind of what I'm doing with my life right now. So yeah, definitely feel free to do that to come tomorrow. Should be good. It's an official N8N and Bright Data stream, so come and support me if you can. Damn, YouTube really hates me recently. Like the views have been pretty shit. The money as well. For 1,000 views, they give me barely anything anymore. What time are you planning to start tomorrow? I'm not sure. Probably about 5 p.m. Irish time. So it's now 7:30 Irish time. Although actually my buddy is coming tomorrow, but that won't matter. He can chill. I might also look at this at some point. I do really want to do some kind of drop shipping. I just want to import a load of products. Like, why does it say Avasam is free? Like, I just looked at your pricing. I might do some print on demand as well. We'll see. I've got some ideas in the works. Video like this might be useful. Why not put the names in the? Why not put the website? Go dropship.co.uk. Go dropship. Okay. 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 Please start selling. You got it, buddy. Yo, nice. Is this actually free? There's no pricing that I can see. Interesting. I might make like a niche like golf, like loads of stuff. Like if I just search for golf, I guess there's like loads of fucking golf shit right now. Okay, that's good to know. Hardly any golf shit. There's just not enough stuff. Where's all the stuff? I want more stuff. There's just not enough stuff. Like, I'll just sell toys. There's only got one page of toys. That's crazy. There's not enough stuff. I need more stuff. Their products are rather old, and there's some price returns in terms of extra customer returns. Yeah. No, I'm fully aware of things that you're probably not. A lot of people don't expect. I already thought about returns in my head. Restart button. But yeah, you're right for sure. Um, yeah, I don't know. I want basically just like I just want to find people that will let me drop ship for them, basically, ideally. Let's have a look at the thing that it made. Nice, nice, nice. Not nice. Sup, Kenrick? How's it going? Oh, bottled goose. That's not a terrible idea. Look at that. E-sources. Okay, here we go. Interesting. Okay, interesting. This is a very interesting website. That's more like it. I might just make loads of Shopify stores and just start selling shit, honestly. Like, I love seeing fucking sales come in. Very interesting. Nah, it doesn't work for me. What? Nah, it doesn't work for me either. I have to go cook soon, guys. It's only fair. Fiance cleaned the whole fucking house today. Absolute legend. Got guest or a guest coming tomorrow. My best friend in all the world. Might get him to make some videos and stuff for me, so look out for that. We'll see though. Oh yeah, what about like selling UK furniture in the States? Because I know that we got a pretty good deal. But how do I like actually? How do I sign into your account to contact the supplier? The hell is this? Damn, this is pretty interesting though. Halo PHP. Well, I'll definitely be checking this out. I think nice little small niche, um, like a golf store, for example. Golf manufacturer 5, perfect. Just set up like a niche golf store, just sell a load of fucking golf shit. Golf supplier UK.co.uk or something. Just make loads of those, stick them on Grove and see what happens. That's kind of what I want to do. Yeah, guys, I probably will have to dip soon though. Thanks for tuning in. I'm not gonna go just yet, but I will have to go soon. My video's picking up a bit. which I'm happy to see. Yeah, thanks everyone for tuning in for sure. God, that looks fucking good. I'll push this one. We'll check how everything's doing generally, and then yeah, we'll leave it there. Does this look right, you fuck? Hey man, what's your monthly Claude bill like? $200. Well, $600 actually, because we've got 3 subscriptions. But let's see if these ones got picked up. No. So this does actually happen sometimes. The first one always gets picked up, and then the second one doesn't necessarily. It also, as you can see, it could be a kind of like a content thing, because this content Shopify SEO services is not quite as like niche, so like Google doesn't necessarily see it as like a good thing, if that makes sense. This is not working. So like they see it as like generic content, whereas like an Ahrefs alternative page has a bit more beef to it. Oh, 305. Is that an all-time high except that weird spike? Yeah, no, almost. Almost an all-time high, boys. So this is all my doing. Like, this is me. I'm really fucking drilling down on this. This is my little baby here, trying to grow it organically. I'm absolutely convinced that we can bring people in organically. We just need time. Probably need some PR and stuff actually as well, to be fair. But the problem with Grove is it was built on vanilla React. So, sorry, not Grove. Harbor was built on vanilla React. Shopify SEO agency is not that nice of a URL actually. I need to give it the specific section that's fucked up, I think. What was it? Shopify. Didn't I just try and get that? Am I working on the wrong thing? Do some press releases. Yeah, we will. We will. Just been really grinding away trying to get everything like working. But we're almost there with everything working, so kind of. Yeah, press releases. I'm not sure what else though, to be fair. There's other things to be done in terms of backlinks. It's not there. It's just not getting it, is it? I'll just tell it to remove this fucking section, I guess. Or I'll just tell it to redo this entire section. What goes into a press release? It's, oh, hey, by the way, Seb. Basically you just go to, I don't know, what's an example? Brand push, press wire, that kind of thing. One of these. I think maybe brand push would be fine. I don't know enough about it. I don't do this kind of stuff. But basically it's just to kind of get you some backlinks, right? This looks pretty good, to be fair. I don't know enough about brand push. I'm not saying use this necessarily, but they're all backlinks. They're all like what are they called? They're all branded backlinks, right? So it helps because they mention you by brand specifically. Now again, I don't know which one I would use necessarily, but I wouldn't necessarily use those ones. I'm just saying they're examples. Again, I'm not an expert on PR and stuff. We would get Dagon to look at that for us. Oh, please. How's it going, Pepe? Long time no speak. Did it break? What? Hello? There we go. Oh my god, dude. Is it still fucking doing this, bro? Did you just suggest that with a waitlist sign up over just a hard launch? It's a hard question to answer. Hi there. What do you think about using the semgrep MCP for Claude's code? They're messing with day trading for AI. Okay, interesting. What is semgrep MCP? What the fuck is this? Oh, interesting. Okay. Yeah, pretty interesting. I'll definitely give that a try. So we managed to add 3 pages to Google. How's the SEO going on your app, by the way, Pepe? This one didn't get indexed. I didn't think it would, actually, to be fair. I actually knew out of these 3, that one wouldn't get indexed. I don't even know what this page looks like. Oh, wow, that looks fucking horrible. What is this page? Jesus. Day trading with AI, that sounds very fun, but extremely risky for me to do because I have the most addictive personality in the entire world. And if I lose once, I will get upset and I will continue to try and win it back. So I've got to be really careful with that. 270 impressions a day and about 1 click a day. Not bad, not bad. We're starting to get there. I'm thinking of doing some PR and stuff, just some backlinks for us. I don't know, maybe some other stuff too. Okay, that looks a lot better. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, push to dev and main. Okay, and we'll definitely be checking back on this soon and see how it goes, basically. I'll send you my Git, you can check it out, just risking $1,000. Yeah, dude, I might be down, honestly. I might be down for jumping on stuff like that. There's no way that AI can't work that shit out, so yeah. I do need to be careful though. I do need to be very careful. I basically lost like I would say probably like £8,000 at university. Basically, if you don't know, in the UK they throw money at you, the government. It's kind of hard to, I don't want to go into details, but it's hard to explain why, but I got the max possible amount of money that um, the UK government is willing to give. And yeah, I wasted a lot of it on fucking gambling like an idiot. So I need to be really careful. I'm a real addict for things like that. So especially gambling. I know that it's not gambling, but it kind of is as well. Okay, well, we'll get this last page indexed on Google and then I'll probably stop streaming, guys. I think I'm gonna go buy a backlink thing. Yeah, the gambling thing is trash and they promised, but yeah. I know it's not fully gambling, but it's the kind of thing that would get me very addicted very quickly. So yeah, I have to be careful. Have to be careful. Okay, but I mean, it's been a really, really good stream. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Let's just get this final page indexed. I'll probably do like office hours and things every day for Grove. But yeah, from tomorrow onwards, it's going to be NA10 stuff. Because it does still say this. Yeah, I've been invited to do some NA10 stuff. Actually, it is gambling. If you don't know what you're doing when trying, don't do it, bro. Yeah, I would probably just have a look, like Pep saying. I wouldn't do anything crazy. Trust me. I know my limits these days. Like I've been through. We've been through all that before, and I'm pretty responsible with what I do. So I probably wouldn't even. If I was to look at it, I would be putting like $3 on it just to kind of see. I would never. I wouldn't put a load of money on it. I know where that leads. I've been down that road so many fucking times. Gambling especially. Jesus, like yeah. No, but thanks, Bilal. I am aware though. What is this Sonnet 1 mil thing I've been getting it to? Yeah, we're waiting on them to push the update to Claude Code, but very soon we should be able to use Sonnet 1 million inside Claude Code, which will be a very interesting update. I hope, I think I'm going to try and get it. I'm going to try and make it so I can control how thoughtful it is. And what I mean by that is like I really want to see if you could build an entire AI app with everything where it just doesn't run out of context once. Okay, so we're now live with this final one. Let's see the meta title. That's perfect. Search console. This is the final one that I'll be doing for today's video. I probably will do some kind of press release or something for a lot of these pages that I've just made. But yeah, we'll test this. I have a feeling this one will get indexed just because of the URL being slightly different to the other ones. Probably in the $201 plan. I hope so. I assume so. We'll see, but yeah, I assume it will be. We shall see. We shall see. Okay, guys. So that is, let's see, we've got, what did we do? We got 1, 2, and then 3, 4. We did 4 pages today. Hopefully this one will get indexed fairly quickly. But yeah, pretty good progress, guys. You just got to keep pushing with this kind of stuff. It seems like you're not doing much with SEO, but it's all compounding, right? Let's see if we can actually have a look if we're getting any search.google.com. There we go. Let's see if we're really actually getting any, what are they called? Sessions last week. Yeah, search.google is literally only 1. It's crazy. Oh, what is that? AI tools. Okay, that's what? That's PPC. That's my channel. Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google. That's a lot of sessions from Google. GitHub 40. That's crazy, actually. That's me. What is Shopify brandbuilders.com? What on earth is that? What? Oh, that's crazy. What the hell? Someone's made this website. That's pretty sick, actually. Fair play. Thought you were done streaming. What, permanently or? I'll be on again tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna stop there. I've got to head out. I've got to do some cooking, that kind of stuff. Family stuff. Thanks, guys. I'll be on tomorrow for some NA10 streaming. Thank you for tuning in. And yeah, peace out. That was what, 4 pages on Google? Oh, actually, just one more thing. I want to see if that page is on Google. That was what I was waiting for to stop. Let's see. No, not yet. Okay. Thanks, guys. And